Welcome guys, welcome to technologyforblind YouTube channel. So I'm back with another video. This is about Ubuntu. Okay, now do you remember that the previous video I have done about the vinux, the distro for visually impaired? So that operating system was based on this Ubuntu OS, Linux distro. So today I'm gonna review, or I'm gonna take you a tour on Ubuntu operating system. Okay, so this time also, as usual, I'm gonna use VMware player to virtualize the system so we can play around with Ubuntu live operating system safely. So let's get started. Okay, now I have opened the VMware player, so let's create a virtual machine.
New virtual machine wizard dialog install them. I will install the operating.
Now these are self-explanatory, so I have fast forward the Lequin's text to speech so I can make it easier. These are self-explanatory.
Install the I will install the operating system later. Combo browse press.
I have done a tutorial about
Ubuntu 19. New virtual machine wizard dialog. What's this? Help button. Next greater button. Press unavailable. Help button. Dialog. Personalize Linux. Full name.
now it has detected the operating system as Ubuntu, Linux, etc. So it will ask
Username. Full name. Blank.
Mohomed Rashad.
Username.
These are
Password.
self-explanatory.
Confirm. Help button. Let's back. Next greater button. Press. Help button. Dialog. Virtual machine location. Selection removed. Select C. Browse. Press. Browser folder. Make new folder. Selected documents. Virtual machine location preview. Documents. Select 311. Level 1 STC. Expanded 3 of 5. Level 2 Windows. Set data. D. Collect folder. Make new folder. Press. Virtual machine select.
Ubuntu.
Level 3 Ubuntu folder. Make new folder. OK button. Cancel button. OK press. New virtual. Let's back button. Next greater button. Press. Unavailable. Text. Property. Split virtual. Help button. Let's back button. Next greater button. Press. Unavailable. Help. VMware Workstation 15 clear. Ubuntu 64 VMware Workstation 15.
Now we have given the required instructions to install the Ubuntu operating system, so it may take some times. Okay, now
Context menu X. Help submenu U. Full screen CT manage submenu M. Send CTRL plus remove all devices submenu R. CD slash CD and sound card check submenu S. Printer submenu T. Network adapter check submenu N. Disconnect T. Ubuntu 6.
I would like to disconnect my network because it may update the system. So I have provided the link to download the Ubuntu operating system. Okay, it is about 1 GB in size. Now it is installing. Now we have got a dialog box. Something.
Recognizing result document. Install. Ubuntu 64 recognizing result document. Install. Welcome to Ubuntu. Fast and full of new features. The latest version of Ubuntu makes computing easier than ever. Here are to look out for. Than ever. Here are just Ubuntu 64 VMware Workstation. Recognizing result document. Install. Welcome to Ubuntu. Fast and full version than ever. To look out for.
There is a welcome screen. Welcome to Ubuntu, etc.
Ubuntu 60. Ubuntu 6.
Yeah. Now I will come after the installation process completes. Okay guys, the operating system has been installed. Now it asks us for the password, username and password. Now I have created a username and password. So to turn on the screen reader, you have to press Alt plus Windows plus S. Okay.
Screen reader on. Window.
No.
Mohomed Rashad push button. Return. Password text.
Password. Okay. Now it has it will log in. In a minute we will be getting the desktop. Okay. Now there is a setup screen something. It is not accessible. Let's launch the screen reader.
Screen reader on. Frame. Left Alt. Tab.
That is not
Left Alt.
accessible.
Return. List next cloud account. Server text. Tab. Username text. Escape. Frame. List with 4 items. Next cloud. Microsoft. Next cloud. Google. Ubuntu single. Tab. Google. Tab. Microsoft. Tab. Skip push button. Space. Next push button. Tab. Show the first report push button. Tab. Legal notice push button.
Now this is the setup window.
Tab. Yes. Send system info to canonical. Selected radio button. No, don't send tab. Previous push button tab. Next push button space.
Okay.
Tab. Toggle button not pressed. Tab. Privacy link. Tab. Previous push button. Tab. Next push button space. Tab.
Okay.
Open software now push button. Tab. Previous push button tab. Done push button space.
Done. Okay. Now
Window.
we
Escape.
are on the main desktop
Ubuntu 64
window. Okay. Okay, guys. Now I have configured the
Window.
OK screen reader. It is default. It is same as the previous video which I was done. I done that about the Vinux. Do you remember that?
Window panel.
This
Window panel.
Ubuntu
Right control.
desktop environment is lots of accessible. They have created a specific documentation about the OK screen reader and high contrast, etc. Now I will provide the official website for downloading the Ubuntu and also the documentation for accessibility. Okay. Now basically, since this is the exact copy of the Vinux, which means the Vinux operating system has been created based on this Ubuntu system, so I don't have anything special to show on this system. And also the start menu is
Right
not
control.
accessible at all. I don't know why. The desktop is
window,
also
panel,
not
right control.
accessible, which means the nicest, the most accessible operating system for Linux is the Vinux operating system, in my opinion. And if you want to go to the notification area, which means that in Windows, notification area is that speakers, network, etc. In Ubuntu it is a little bit different. You can press and hold the Alt and Control key at the same time and press
Left control.
Tab
Top bar push button.
and press you have to hear this top bar
Windows push button. Top bar push button.
and leave the Alt and Control.
Window. Activities toggle button not pressed.
Now
Press space to toggle.
press right arrow and
May 130832 menu. To accessibility menu.
now there are
System
options.
menu.
Now in system menu
Volume slider 0.7. To
There
decrease
are
press left arrow.
volumes.
To increase press right arrow. 0.8. 0.1.0. Wired connected. Collapsed. Rashad.
Network.
Collapsed. Lock push button. To
Lock.
activate power off push button.
power off.
Lock push button. Settings push button.
Settings.
Window. Accessibility menu. To navigate. Press left or right arrow. Right
Accessibility
control.
menu.
High contrast check menu item not checked. Press zoom check menu. Large text check. Screen reader check. Screen keyboard check. Visual alerts check. Sticky keys check. Slow keys check. Mouse keys check. Mouse keys check.
Now there are accessibility options.
System menu. Volume 1.0, 0.9, 1. Wired connect. Mohomed Rashad. Lock push button. To activate press. Settings push button.
Let's go to the settings.
Settings
See
frame.
what's going on.
Panel. Search toggle button not pressed. Primary menu toggle button not pressed. Panel. Search toggle button not primary menu top panel. Keyboard shortcuts push button. To activate press space. Help push button. Keyboard shortcuts push button. Help push button. Keyboard short help push button. Keyboard shortcuts push button. Primary menu toggle. Panel.
This is not also quite accessible.
Search toggle button not. Primary menu top. Primary. Search top right.
Looks like
Home frame.
accessible. Now I'm using the mouse, but the screen reader is not reading anything at all, which means the nicest, bestest operating system for Linux
Left
is
alt. Untitled 1 right control.
the
Untitled 1
Windows.
leader of left alt.
Sorry,
Ubuntu right. Left alt. Rhythm ops frame. Table with 0 rows. Left window. Maximize. Minimize. Maximize. Move. Resize. Always on top. Always on visible. Move to workspace. Close. Home frame. List with 12 items. Recent. Content view panel. Desktop folder. Documents folder. Downloads folder. Music folder. Pictures folder. Public folder. Templates folder. Videos folder. Examples. Videos folder. Examples. Desktop configuration file. Home push button. To activate toggle button not pressed. Press left home push toggle button not pressed. Toggle view push button. To activate press space. Content view panel. Examples. Desktop. Home push button. Toggle button not pressed. Toggle view push button. To menu toggle button not pressed. Press panel. Pressed.
Menu.
Visible columns. Push button. To active reload push button. Menu toggle button. The menu toggle button not pressed. List with 12 items. Home desktop.
home.
Examples. Desktop. Type equals link. Name equals exam. Name R equals C. Name name F equals name left alt. Home frame. List with left alt. Settings for left alt.
So it looks like
Help frame.
it is
Ubuntu
not
left alt.
accessible at all.
Window panel. Window panel. Open new panel. Software update push button. To active Firefox web browser push settings push button. Terminal push button.
Now I pressed the start menu. Guys, I have found the system. If you press Windows key, there are no any apps. Just I think the search box. It is not accessible. But if you hover over the mouse to the right bottom control, there is a button. If you press that, no. It is also no. What is okay, yeah. Now there are
software update push button,
which means it is not quite accessible.
Firefox web browser settings push terminal push button, files push button, help push button, rhythm box push button, LibreOffice writer push button, text editor push button, LibreOffice writer push.
Let's turn on this. This is the word processor.
Untitled 1 LibreOffice writer frame blank. Type in text. Left shift H E L L O hello A N D and W E L C O E welcome. Space right welcome. Left shift I M I'm D O N N I N doing A D E S T test I N T either U B U N T U Ubuntu O E R P S S A T R N lowercase S Y T M. Left consistem misspelled Ubuntu. Left misspelled operation space misspelled E R P A D I O N space N O I T A P R E O O P A R T I N G G space window left all untitled 1 LibreOffice left alt left
looks
left
like
alt left alt left alt left alt left
I am
untitled 1 LibreOffice writer for left alt window untitled 1 LibreS. Hello and welcome. I'm doing a test in the Ubuntu operating system. Left control blank system operating space O P A R T A left operating space O P A R A T I N G space hello and welcome. Left alt untitled 1 LibreOffice writer frame hello and welcome. I'm doing a test in hello and welcome. Left all untitled 1 Libre. Left formatting marks on. Left control. Formatting toolbar. Paragraph style editable.
Yeah, now
text body default style. I'm doing a test in the Ubuntu operating left. Left all.
What happened?
Ubuntu 64 bit VMware. Ubuntu 60.
Configuration applied. Select
Ubuntu 64 bit VMware workstation.
What is going on,
Folder
guys?
view list. Firefox 7 of 8. NVDA. Ubuntu 64 bit VMware workstation 15 player. Recognizing result document. Ubuntu 64 bit. Ubuntu 60 pane.
What is going
Ubuntu
on?
64. Context file sub.
I pressed something, a hotkey.
Power sub menu. Power on shut down suspend guest as restart guest R. VMware workstation. Yes button folk. Ubuntu 64 bit VMware workstation 15 player.
So much annoying, guys.
Pane.
Okay, let's see what's going on.
Screen reader on. We return black.
Okay, I have logged in.
Screen reader on. 13 push button to activate press space with window panel. Overview panel. Software update push button. Firefox web terminal push button. Help push button. Files push button. All push button.
All. Let's see. All. We have got a nice window.
Frequent push button.
It is
all
not
push button.
accessible.
Frequent push. All push button. I'll write solitaire push button. Amazon push button. Calculator push button.
Calculator. Oh my god.
Calendar push button. Cheese push button.
Cheese. What is cheese?
Take a photo frame. Layered pane 0 items. To move to items, use either the arrow keys or type ahead searching.
Take a photo.
Window. Take a photo frame. Push the left alt. Layered pane. Left alt.
Useless. Okay.
Window. Overview panel. I'll write solitaire push button. Calculate calendar push cheese push document. Cheese push button. Document viewer push button. LibreOffice Draw push button. LibreOffice Calc push button. Language support push input method push. Firefox web browse files push button. LibreOffice Impress push button. LibreOffice Writer push button. Live patch push button. Mahjong push button. Minds push button. Passwords and keys push button. Simple scan push button. Shotwell push button. Settings push. Rhythm ops push button. Remina push button. Power statistics push button. Software and updates push button. Software update push button.
Software.
Startup application software software update push button.
Let's,
software and updates push button.
Now in
Software and updates frame. Right control. Right
Linux
control.
operating systems, there is a software called Software Center, which means now if you want a software, you can open the Software Center and search it for the software, and you can easily download, not like Windows.
Downloadable from the internet panel. Canonical supported free and open source software. Main checkbox checked. Press space to toggle. Win to change software repository settings. You need to authenticate. Password text. Type in text. Black circle. Cancel push button. Authenticate push button. Software and updates frame. Ubuntu software page tab. Downloadable from the internet panel. Canonical supported free and open source software. Main checkbox not checked. Community maintained free and open source software. Universe checkbox checked. Proprietary drivers for devices restricted. Checkbox checked.
Now there are lots of softwares, I think.
Software restricted by copyright or legal issues. Multiverse checkbox checked. Source code checkbox not checked. Server for United States combo box. Press space to expand and use choose a download server. United States archive.linux.firewall.public.ftp.ust software and installable from CD-ROM/DVD panel. Revert push button. To close push button.
Close.
The information about available software is out of date. To install software and updates from newly added or changed sources, you have to reload the information about available software. You need a working internet connection to continue. Reload push button. Close push button.
Close. I don't want to reload.
Window.
Okay, wait. Let's try another.
Window. Amazon push button. Firefox web browser push button. Amazon push button.
What is this? Amazon? I pressed enter. What's going on? Nothing is going on, man.
Mozilla Firefox frame. Finished loading. Finished loading.
Amazon.
Finished loading. Finished loading. Skip to main content link. We ship internationally. Finished loading.
Okay,
Amazon
let's-
right left E. Search with Google or enter
YouTube.
Y O T U left K selection Y O U T U E E YouTube COM banner navigation international shopping transition alert dialog. We ship internationally. We're showing you items that ship to right control E www G O O L E L K banner navigation international shopping transition alert dialog.
This is not accessible, guys.
Left alt Google.
Not quite good.
Left alt with Google search push button to active search. To enable focus mode, press insert plus A. Focus mode. WIKIPDIA. Loading. Please wait. Browse mode. Finished loading with skip to main. Link H. Search page. Showing results for heading level 3. Wikipedia. Right C. Search editable content. Wikipedia. Focus mode. Left can A. Entire document selected. Browse mode. Feedback. Link. Search. List with left control. Right can W.
Close.
Window. Window.
Okay, let's see what's available next.
Window. Overview panel. I'll write solitaire push button. Amazon push button. Calculator push button. Calendar push button. Cheese push button. Document viewer. LibreOffice Draw push button. Passwords and keys for minds push button. Mahjong push button. Live patch push button. LibreOffice Writer push button.
LibreOffice Writer. What is this LibreOffice?
LibreOffice Untitled 1 Untitled 1. Discard push button. To active start push button. State Untitled 1 Untitled 1. Discard push button. Start push button.
Start.
Status of recovered documents. Panel. Untitled 1 Untitled 1. Finish push.
Finish.
Untitled 1 remotely. Tab. Left alt. Blank. Left alt. Tab. Blank.
I think there are some specific controls, specific settings, specific hotkeys when it comes to the Linux operating system. So
HELO miss and right
I'm
control
not
shift.
happy with the
Left alt.
accessibility.
Warning alert. Save document. Save changes to docu. Don't save push button.
Don't save. Okay.
Window. DOEERNL. Text. Terminal. Rashad Ubuntu.
Now,
Right control.
I'm very happy about the accessibility of the terminal, guys. If we want, we can learn the terminal. Now I'm not sure about the commands.
MD command not found. Rashad Ubuntu $.
There are specific commands, and the Linux terminal is a very complex terminal, very useful, very very wide range of commands available.
RD RD. Command not found. Rashad at Ubuntu colon tilde dollar CLEA. R. Rashad at Ubuntu colon tilde dollar.
Clear.
HELP. Gen sub option. Return and complete sub DI. Select name in words dot dot dot. Do compopt O plus O option. DI name. Set a F sub CCHP O option. Continue and shift and coproc name command redirection right
I don't know
control.
what.
CLEA. R. Rashad at Ubuntu colon DIT.
Exit. So
Window. Overview panel. Files push button.
files. Let's see files.
Home frame. List with tab. Home. Desktop. Documents. Content view panel. List view tree table. Home frame. Downloads music. Pictures collapsed. Music collapsed.
Empty.
Home frame. Pictures collapsed. Public collapsed. Zero templates collapsed. Zero item.
Templates. What's all templates?
Home frame. Videos collapsed. Zero items. Examples.desktop. 9 point. Right control W.
Control W means you can close. Okay.
Window.
What's next?
Window. LibreOffice Impress push button. Power statistics push button.
Power statistics. What is this?
Power statistics frame. Table with 1 row 2 columns. Image. AC adapter. Description column header AC adapter. Details page tab. Use left and right to view other tabs. Table with 5 rows 2 columns. Device. Line underscore power underscore CAD. Type. AC adapter. Supply. Yes. Refreshed. 4 billion to online. Yes. Table with 1 row 2 columns. Left alt. Window.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna end this video because there are no any items to show.
Window. Top bar push button. Window. Activities toggle button. May 13 0 accessibility menu.
So
May 13 0 access system menu. Volume slider 0 connected. Collapsed. Rashad. Collapsed. Accessibility menu. To navigate. System menu. Volume slider wide connect. Mohomed Rashad lock push button. Power off push button. Window. Dialog. Cancel push button. Restart push button. Power off push button.
Ubuntu. Op 6. Ops. Select Op 64. Op. So select synthesizer. Op 64. Folder view list. NVDA 508.
so
Cortana window. Op 64. Start with.
let's open the VMware.
VMware workstation 15 player.
Now let's say you want to delete the operating system completely. You have simply you can
Ubuntu 64 bit
select
free.
this Ubuntu and press right. Just press the delete key.
VMware workstation 15 player dialog. Do you want to remove the virtual machine Ubuntu 64 bit from the library or delete it from disk? Delete from disk button Alt plus D.
Now delete from disk means it will delete the complete OS. Okay, you cannot restore it.
Remove from the library button Alt plus R.
Remove from the library means you can open the Ubuntu file again, which means it will only remove from the VMware library. It will exit on the directory where you have browsed. So I want to
Cancel. Delete from disk button. VMware workstation 15 player dialog. Warning. This action is irreversible. Are you sure you want to delete the virtual machine F? Ubuntu test install Ubuntu 64-bit.vmx permanently? Yes button Alt plus Y.
yes. Now it will completely delete the folder.
VMware workstation 15 player list. Home 103. Home 103. Home 102. Home 102.
Okay.
Speech mode.
So
off.
guys, thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you have any questions, comments, thoughts, ideas, please post it in the comment section. It would help me a lot to build up my channels and bring new videos for you guys. I have provided the required links for the downloading ISO image and also the documentation for accessibility, and I have provided my Facebook page links, so visit my Facebook page and press the like button. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Signing out, Mohomed Rashad.